All right, Cory. Well, look, here's your SunShader. So we'd love to know what you think about it.
Thank you, man. I mean, I constantly, it's hard to work outside in Austin because it's so hot, but in the non-summer months, super awesome to have one of these. Every time I'm working, I literally have a glare right on my face and I cannot see the laptop.
Yeah.
So, yeah, super pumped. I mean, I already have a couple of these to be honest, but super pumped for this one.
This is the latest version.
This is the
So
latest-
yeah,
this is the
yeah.
one? What'd you guys add to it?
Well, so we've made it a lot lighter, about
Oh,
40% lighter.
Okay, super light.
Yeah, so it's it won't take up much weight if you're traveling. You know, you need to
I
get
feel
it.
bad breaking the packaging. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Like lightly. I tore it up anyways.
Okay.
Awesome. Oh.
So yeah, I think you had version 2, didn't you? This is version
I
3.
got a couple of them in my car actually. They're super nice to just kind of like have around. Okay. All right. I like this. Nice, nice. Damn. Okay. This is super light. I like that.
Yeah, it's a lot lighter than the last version.
Okay. Boom.
That's it. All right.
Yeah. Super.
What do you
easy,
think?
Super easy to use. I mean, I like how it flexes too when you're, because I'm constantly like leaning back or sitting up.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I feel like that's super convenient.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, I mean, I've used it before in the sun, so I know it works. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I,